Welcome to the 3D Mechanical Design channel. Do you know how to create a pulley for a 3-groove V-belt? The video will be available soon. Subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with all the latest news. Thank you.